So they say that April showers bring May flowers. So I hope that is true because we have had a lot of rain this past winter down here in Georgia. Well, up here in Georgia, I live in the North Georgia mountains, but we've had a lot of rain. The lakes are up, the rivers are up, the creeks are up. So it's great to see, but I am so ready for some sunshine. So these products that I have for you for May are going to make you smile and make you feel like summer is right around the corner. I've got my shorts on and I'm so ready for the beach. So anyways, I'm going to share with you my May customer special. So in May, for every $35 that you spend, you can choose between a crossbody organizing tote for $15 or a small utility tote for $12. Okay, so the first one I'm going to share with you guys is the crossbody organizing tote. I'm in love with this tote, you guys. It's in the tropical twist. This print will be going away after May. So if you love this print, you're going to want to go ahead and get a hold of it. All right, so this is in the tropical twist. I also have the tropical leaf personalization. So the leaf is in Kelly green and the C is in hot pink. So I love this tote because it's our only organizing tote that is actually a crossbody. So you have the handles right here if you want to carry it like this or carry it like this, but you also have the option to wear this as a crossbody. All right, you have on the front two large deep pockets. So as you can see, I have my All About the Benjamins wallet in the Fields of Gold print. It looks so good next to this. So you got the deep pockets on the front. You have mesh pockets on the side that can hold water bottles, sippy cups, whether you're using this as a work bag, a gym bag, a bag for your kids. Their drinks can go on the side, your wallet can go in the front. There's so many options for this crossbody organizing tote. All right, so on the inside, you do have a zipper closure on the top. I have this kind of tucked in. If I open it up, you can see this zipper on the top right here. So on the inside, I actually have like a regular size notebook, like a 1.5 inch binder, and my computer in here. So that's just to kind of give you some size comparison. This is like, I think, a 15-inch laptop. And then I have my notebook on the inside, my 31 notebook. So just to kind of give you a little size comparison. So spend $35 in May and you can get this for $15. It's normally $38. Such a great deal in May. All right, so let me move this and move my computer because I do not want to drop it. All right, so the next part of the customer special is the small utility tote, you guys. This is brand new as of March, and it has been one of our top sellers. It actually beat the large utility tote in sales in March. So it's actually going to be on sale in May, so spend $35 and you can get the small utility tote for $12. This is in the flamingos print. Super cute, you guys, super cute. This print will be going away after May as well. So the small utility tote has a pocket on the front, so you could put your All About the Benjamins wallet in the front. This bag can be used for so many things. So whether you're going to the library this summer, you're taking your kids and you're checking out all those books, a perfect library book. This is a perfect little tote just for your kids. My little girl is 3 and my son is 9, Clint and Lily, and these are perfect for them to carry. I'm just the right size. It's not too big, but it's not too small. It can hold so many things. So whether you're using this for snacks, for the ball field, to carry your blankets in, your, anything that you're carrying with you, this is perfect, even to keep in your car. On the inside of here, I actually have just a Rubbermaid Tupper bowl, just to kind of show you a little bit of size comparison. So it fits in there perfectly. Also, another thing is you could use this as a beach bag, whether it's just for you or for your kids. Perfect. Put your wallet in here, your cell phone, your keys, your room key. I have it paired with 2 of the beach towels. I have on the inside beach toys. I also have the 31 snacker, these cute little snackers, and our little foldaway tote. So fun for the kids. I'll just open this up just so you guys can see. If you haven't watched my other videos on these, show you real quick. So it was a little mermaid icon, and now I have opened it up into a little shopper bag. Super cute. You see my little, I didn't do a very good job opening that, but my little mermaids on there, the little snacker. So cute to put in there for your kids. A great beach bag, pool bag. And then I also have it as a snack bag. So say you're going camping this summer, or you're going to a barbecue or a picnic, and you're taking your chips and your salsa or whatever you're taking with you. This can be the perfect tote to carry those. It's not too big and it's not heavy. You know, we have our other totes and we put so much stuff in there that is so heavy we can hardly carry it. And like me, I have to get my husband to carry everything, and he has arms out to here, like way longer than me, and he can carry so much more than I can. But this is the perfect size for me. So on the inside of here, I have a bag of chips, I have cookies, I have, well, half a loaf of eaten bread, and I also have salsa. So whether you're going somewhere and taking food, this is perfect, the small utility tote. But another little hack for you guys, if you have 2 of these, then 2 of the small utility totes will fit inside the deluxe utility tote. So the deluxe utility tote is our largest utility tote that we have. It can hold up to 100 pounds. You've got the pockets on the front, but these fit perfectly on the inside of your deluxe utility tote. So great little hack for you guys if you need to organize. These are perfect. So look how cute that is. I have snacks on one side and I have beach stuff on the other. So this would be a great tote just to carry down to the beach. Have our snacks and our sandwiches in here and have our towels on this side. So perfect that we could put our cell phone in here, our room key, chapstick, sunscreen, fits perfectly in there. So these are great. I love these small utility totes because number 1, they're new. Number 2, they are awesome, but there are so many uses for these. You can use them in your closet, under your shelves. You can organize your travel products, like all your little makeup bags. You could organize your flip-flops. I mean, so many uses for this small utility tote. So spend $35 in May, get a small utility tote for $12, or the Crossbody organizing tote for $15. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you with your order. Thanks so much for shopping with me.